Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to export photos on the Photos application and then compress to a zip using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application which is built into the Mac computer, as well as a couple of images that we will be exporting and then compressing to a zip. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's highlight a couple of images. Right click. And then what we can do is either share or go to the top toolbar, click on File, go to Export, Export for Images. Let's leave everything the way it is. Go to Export. And now we wish to export directly to the desktop. We can create an additional folder if we wish to. However, the zip file will compress everything into one file. Let's click on Export. As you can see, the images are exporting on top. Let's now minimize photos for the moment. Now let's go to the desktop, highlight all the photos, right click, and we should have an option that says compress, which has now compressed all the images into a zip file. We can now delete these images, highlight, command delete, which will take them directly to the bin. Click on the bin empty. That's fine. Now go to the archive.zip, double click on this, and now we have a folder that contains those images that were compressed in the first place once we exported directly to the desktop on the Mac computer. So we can now quit Finder, we can go all the way down to the dock, go back to the Photos application, we can now quit Photos. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.